If you're experiencing subscription errors on Splunk Cloud, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check subscription status. Log into your Splunk Cloud account and navigate to the subscription management section. Verify that your subscription is active and that there are no outstanding issues or notifications. Step 2. Review billing information. Ensure that your billing information is up to date. Check for any expired payment methods or billing discrepancies that could be causing a subscription error. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update Splunk software. Make sure you are using the latest version of Splunk Cloud. Check for any updates or patches that may address known subscription issues and apply them as necessary. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem continues after following the previous steps, reach out to Splunk's customer support. Provide them with detailed information about the error for more targeted assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve subscription errors on Splunk Cloud efficiently. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek help from support.